So this is an open box of the Yuneec Q500 4K quadcopter. I purchased this off of Newegg, and it's a refurbished unit, which kind of concerns me. But we just got it back. We just got it from UPS, and we're getting ready to open it. The box isn't sealed the best. So I haven't opened this yet, so okay, this is Newegg's receipt. Okay, well, got from the packing box now to the shipping box. So we're going to open up the packing box of the helicopter. Okay. Well, now it looks like we got to the display box. At least it's got enough of boxes. Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, got some books, quick reference books, I assume. This is what it looks like on the inside of the box. Looks like we have two sets of 4 propellers. Is here. Okay, I think this is the screen visor. Oh man, they use Scotch tape on it, so naturally there's glue everywhere. That's got to be clean. Can't believe someone actually used Scotch tape on something. It says accessories. It says SD card and stuff. Actually, the packing box is pretty good. Okay, we're just going to put this up. Looks like I'll keep this box for a while, because it does look pretty good shape. Use that as a storage box. Looks like some sort of a charger. Here. Another part of the charger. I'll only give you one battery in this one. I don't give you two. I reckon, considering it's refurbished, they keep the other battery because on the other sets they give you two. So here's the unit. Looking at the physical appearance, considering this is a remanufactured or reconditioned or what you want to call it, it looks in good shape. The remote control unit here. So actually looks fine too. I don't see any damages, any scuff, anything. So it looks in good shape. And it gives you the handle so you can hook it up. So you can take the camera off and you could just use it for an action cam. So that's how that is. So this looks good. Actually, that was one of the reasons why I did buy it. So I can take the camera off and have another extra little camera. And the battery charger. And for the battery charger, right here, there's a 5-volt. I assume it's for the receiver. And here's the 12-volt cable, just in case you want to use it for the car. And nothing else. So that's what you get in the box. There's the unit, the remote control, only one battery, which all the other kits had two. So that was only a disappointment in there. And plus I used Scotch tape to hold it down. Now I got all the glue on it that I got to get off. So that was bad packing there, but everything else was very well packed. The accessories. Well, that was the little lens for the camera that you can put on, the UV lens and stuff. A couple extra little cables. I assume I heard this one was a programming cable. And the little tool to hold it to tighten down the props. So I got that. So that was the end of the unboxing. Now the next video is going to be see who can crash this thing first. So thank you for watching.